Okay, so this is the output for the whole day. Output. And this is the output for the whole day for the group 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is the output of group 1. And this is the output of group 2. Ayan, tapos din nila yun. Tapos ito naman yung output ng group 4. Tapos ito yung output ng group 6. Hindi pa nila na gawa yung isa dahil hindi pa na-cutting. So this is for cutting. And this is the drawing. Tapos ito naman yung nagka-cutting. Okay?